Hey, fifth grade, it's Mr. Onken again. Today we are going to be talking about nets. We're going to start with a cube, which remember is a special kind of rectangular prism. And when we think of nets, that's basically just like we're taking all of the faces and just flattening them. So if we put it back together, we would have our shape. So we're going to start with the cube, and we are going to find the surface area of this net, and that's going to help us know, that's going to tell us what the surface area of the whole shape is.
Mr. Onken, what's surface area?
Surface area is the area of all of the faces added up together. So if you remember, a cube or a rectangular prism has how many faces, Ms. Walsh?
6, right?
Very good, yes.
Woohoo!
So we're going to add up our 6 different faces to figure out what the surface area is for the whole shape. So I'm going to draw this on grid paper. So as you can see here, we have our 6 different faces. Each one of these faces is going to be 2 units by 2 units. So if I'm going to find the area for one of these faces, what do I need to do?
Count the units inside the circle. Square.
Inside the square, I can do that, yes. And so I have 1, 2, 3, 4. But I can also use what I know about my area formula to multiply 2 times 2, which equals 4.
Mm-hmm.
So each one of these faces is going to be 4 units. So I am just going to add up 6 times. You can use your calculators on this.
How come they're all 4? How do you know?
This one's a cube.
Yeah.
So in order for it to be a cube, all of our faces are going to have to be the same size.
Oh, okay.
So we're going to have 6 4s. I could do 4 times 6, but it's better to add them up for this because when you do rectangles, you won't be able to use multiplication. So I'm going to add 2 4s. Here's my third. Here's my 4th. I have 16. There's my 5th one, 20, and then 20 plus 4 equals 24. So 24 units cubed is my surface area for this net. Now we're going to look at a rectangular prism that is not a cube. So this is going to look a little bit different. Again, it's a rectangular prism, so how many faces is it going to have?
6.
Yes, very good. But not all of our faces are going to be the same size. We're going to have our 2 end pieces that are going to end up being 2 by 2, but then our 4 sides. So if we had like our top and bottoms, these would be the smaller pieces, and then we have our 4 that go around the side that are going to be 2 by 4. So I'm going to use what I know about my area formula to figure out the area for my 4 faces here, which is 2 times 4, which equals 8. And I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. So I'm going to do 8 plus 8 plus 8. And then I need to add my surface area of my 2 end pieces, which are 2 by 2, which equals 4. And I'm going to need 2 of those. So we'll just add up. We're going to do our 4 8s and our 2 4s. We'll do them one at a time. 8 plus 8, which gets me to 16. I'm going to add another 8, which gets me to 24. 4 and 8 is 32. Okay, so now I have my 32, and I have to add my 2 4s. So 32 plus 4 is 36, and 36 plus 4 is 40 units squared. That is my surface area for this net. Got 8, 4, and 4. I think drawing them in the nets might be a good idea to help you keep track of all the numbers you need to add up.
Yep, and on your homework today, it will be on grid paper, so if you can't remember the area formula, you can always count up the boxes on the inside as well.
That is good advice.
Thank you. Is that it for today?
That's it.
All right.
Good luck.
Goodbye.